This is the GBox Mini PC. Tiny, right? It's light and portable. You can put it on the desk or support it on the back of the screen with brackets to save space. Best for gaming at home. With the MINIX N4100 processor with 4 cores, 4 threads, and a Gen 9 Intel HD graphics, it delivers fluent gaming experience without jumping frames. The best time killer at home. It also brings you a mobile office. It has diverse ports for connecting all kinds of external equipment at any time. So you can do simple office work such as editing a form or document. Analyzing financial data? Also no problem. It's perfect for simple office work. And don't be too surprised that it supports HD 4K videos. Smooth pictures with ultra definition bring you the ultimate visual feast. Just lie on bed and enjoy Ultra HD 4K videos. This is the new generation GBox Mini PC.
The Cubi 5 is a tiny desktop that fits on the palm of your hand. It's perfect for office and other professional settings. It even takes care of general home entertainment. The Cubi 5 can even be mounted to a monitor, making it a real space saver. The MP221 is a perfect choice for this with its fast mount support. And with the support for extended power switch, there's no need to reach behind the monitor. Despite its tiny size, the Cubi 5 still delivers top performance powered by Intel's 10th generation Core i7 processor. This means excellent processing power and a smooth desktop experience. MSI always strives for easy upgradability. On the Cubi 5, the SSD and memory modules are seamlessly accessed through the bottom for upgrading. It's that simple. The Cubi 5 is exceptionally silent. Even on the full load, it will still be the perfect choice for even libraries. This tiny desktop is rich in I/O ports. It also supports dual monitors with its HDMI and DisplayPort connections, letting you multitask even more efficiently. For more information, please go check out the product page, and thanks for watching.
Over time, our offices and technology have evolved to match the way we work, offering a greater flexibility of use while taking up less space. Now, Lenovo has redesigned the desktop PC to do the same with the M93P Tiny and Small Form Factor Pro. We've engineered them to be as small as possible, so you can maximize available workspace. We've made it easier for you to switch them on, added high-performance processors, and included all the connections you need to work with your existing equipment and surfaces. The Tiny and Small Form Factor Pro are highly flexible machines, easy to upgrade to match changing needs. They support a broad range of monitor configurations, use a fraction of the energy you'd expect, and that each come with Lenovo's rock-solid support service. The Lenovo ThinkCentre. M93P Tiny, and Small Form Factor Pro. Inspiring design and innovative engineering.
Thanks for watching. I hope you liked the video. If you found it helpful, please remember to leave a like and subscribe to my channel to see more videos like this in the next episode. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can.